How to change your country location on 𝗕cie Twitter account. In order for you to change your location on X, it's pretty simple and easy. If you enjoyed this video, please consider to subscribe and give this video a like. On your X account, navigate to the top left corner where you see your profile menu and tap on it. Then proceed to scroll down until you locate settings and support and tap on it. A drop-up menu will appear. Continue to scroll down and locate settings and privacy. Upon selecting it, you will land on an interface like this. Continue to tap on your account. There you are. Under your account, you could see account information. Make sure to select your account. Make sure to select account information. This will land on an interface like this with a bunch of menus. As you could currently see, we have the country and the current location is Ghana. In order for you to change it, all you have to do is to tap on it. Then continue to select the country that you wanna select here. After that, you have successfully changed your country location on 𝗕cie Twitter account. If you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. I'll do my best to attend to you. If you enjoyed this video, consider check out our next video. See you in the next video.